us go here. It travels across the net slowly. Ang lalim tumira ni Santos. Ano? Talaga yung dulo. And that hits the push mo sa dulo. Alam na natin to. Hindi ko sinasabi mananalo signal ngayon. Pero you know a little better how to deal with your opponent. As Cayuna sends it to Gandler. Hitting long. From the pie.
From the back.
But tumama pa rin yun sa tape ng net, but still a point is a point. And they need that. Only one blocker, kaya din the delay din dito.
No, she's a tall woman. Tapos, alam mo, nag-weights itong yun. Dito mo, laki ng development ng shoulders. Eh, oh. Santos, the long ball hitter. And look at that burn. We can now go to Jules. Jules? Gandler down on the floor but keeping it in play. Rejected chance. Hindi mamamatay ang kay Macandili. But look at this! Fair! Enjoying the moment.
This is the first time na lalamang yung Signal because earlier ng first set sila yung humahabol sa score ng Signal.
We have 3 straight points coming now from Creamline, and they are in the lead by 1. Here's Thoughts. Jammed. Kept in play. Lifted Valdez.
There you go. She was facing cross court, but she saw that gap, the down the line block, and targeted that area. Erica Santos was not ready for the defense.
4-0 run. Aquino will be serving. Valdez on 2.
1-2 play. Tia, take this one.
There you go, 1-2 play. Hindi na kailangan ni setup dahil ang laki na ng buta sa defense dito ng Signal.
Alam mo, manood ka ng mga video dati ni Gia when she was playing. And siyempre, may element of surprise. In the meantime, hindi naman pwede lagi mong gagawin yan. Pero ito, it worked!
Kumawi din si Jel Cayuna with that 1-2 play.
We actually have 2 very good setters battling each other here. And now the serve will belong to one of those setters. Cayuna, what she has done so far. 7 yan kanina, ngayon 10 na. Bea De Leon, no firm contact. Santos and manages to kick it outside, and we are tied at 7.
It was actually hard to block Erica Santos kasi pag nakita niya na una yung blocker sa kanya, she will face down the
Parang
line.
sinasabi niya, andyan ka na? Ay, ganito gagawin ko. 3 ball given up here. Chance. Inside. And look at this. Signal stringing points together to get at the 8-point seconds start here. In the meantime, some of those legends from the UAAP are on this floor right now. Hello, Gia. And Acuna still surprised by the fact that Gia got that through. Look at the reaction of Acuna. I was there. Ando na ako eh.
Kanya, yung mga off-the-block hits.
Kung ikaw nagbablock, maiinis ka. Parang sinasabi ni Erika, oh, ganito gagawin natin, ha? Ready ka? Ganito gagawin natin. Samantala, Creamline shooting long, scoring their 10th point.
Take a look at that. Back row hit from Tots Carlos.
Parang nagsha-shadow yung isa sa isa. Cayuna. You are incredible, Miss Santos. You're something else. 9 points already. The way she reads the game is so impressive.
And nakikita niya yung pwesto talaga ng blocker late during that last sequence, and she targeted cross-court.
Absolutely. Good read. Gander has her hands on the ball. Valdez says, let's shoot. It's Encarnacion picking it up from the rear. De Guzman reads that cleanly. Here comes Valdez.
Again, Valdez targeting down the line. Earlier, we saw na yung defense position ng Signal was waiting for her cross-court hit.
Yeah.
But nahanap pa yun ni Valdez, yung maliit na gap na yon sa block.
Hindi parang korte to na may appeal. Santos, so valuable. And she is in double figures with 10.
You could see the smarts of Santos earlier. I think that was the first time na mag-drop ball siya, no? Because
think so.
kaya naman yung defense ng Creamline waiting for a strong hit.
Valdez accepting. De Leon denied. Kept in play by Nierva. Cayuna straight into the waiting arms of Negrito. Valdez denied, but we play on. Flick to the other side. Gumabao. Pinabol di Cayuna, makes it a set. Denied. Kept in play by Doria. Santos says, why is it still alive? Very long rally. Cayuna makes it a spike. Gumabao sets. Santos right there. The strike.
That long rally ended with a kill block against two tall blockers of Creamline. That is De Leon and Michelle Gumabao. Take a look at that out-of-system play. Bantay sarado.
Take it away or take it away. It'll be fought for with every toss and spike in every volley.
That's inside, down the line hit from Erica Santos.
What can she not do on that right flank? Spike of the set at insenyo ng Duncan, pasalubong ng bayan. Kasi Erica, hirap kuminsan sundan kasi nag-alternate yung dalawang to. Ito naman, Gandler. Got it to go. Ayan, tabla na naman.
Quick side out for Signal. Hindi nila hinahayaan lumaki ang lamang dito ng Creamline.
Parang dikit lang. Dikit lang. Huwag kang bibitaw. Huwag mo lalamangin ng Creamline ng dalawa, tatlo.
Erica Santos is in the opposite side.
Pons denied. Gandado sarado. Doria getting back to not go through. And Signal has a 2-point lead. Watch this again.
Cross court, well guarded by Signal. Timeout here.
Legal out of that hole ang koponan ng Signal. Santos has serve in play. Valdez.
Wow! Don Katindig with the save.
Hindi ako nagugulat na ngayon. Pag siya, parang normal na, no? Ito. Oh! Kung walang tao ron, tatabulin niya yun.
But earlier, I thought that Encarnacion was going to get that check ball, but naunahan pa siya ni Katindig on that one. But this time,
para sabi pa rin yung Joel, umalis ka dyan. Joel. And she's learning how to play at that net even better. 22 all by Death. Gandler tosses it high. See. Oh, well done. That was well done by Giselle C at the center position. Look how long this is.
But actually, Doria Aquino medyo nagulat pa doon because I think the set was a bit too low for her. But nagawa niya ng paraan yun, targeting long ball.
Ready for a signal. Here comes Carlos. Katindig. Giselle C. Gandler. Valdez keeps it in play.
Wow!
Oh! Combination!
That was a good set play for Signal. Take a look at that. Akala mo yung si set sa open hit ay sa middle attacker. Kaya naman sumabay yung middle block ng Creamline.
Setup job. Still alive. Jan Alag. Kept in the air. Pons. Santos. Cayuna. Drop. And they chase it. Pons shoots. Block. De Guzman. Pons.
Pons. Drop on. At number
crowd after that long rally.
At ito ang ating Pure Gold. Always panalo play of the set brought to you by Pure Gold. So Pure Gold,